Hey guys, this is Shikha and welcome back to my channel. So today is day 8 of our 30-day smoothie challenge, and today I'm going to share my bliss berry recipe with you, which is so delicious and it's really great for your skin. So if you like this video, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to hit the little bell notification so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Okay, so the first ingredient which we are using today is an apple, and this one is rich in antioxidants, high in fiber, and improves your digestive health. Next up, I'm using a cup of mixed berries, and I'll be using strawberries, blueberries, blackberries, and raspberries. The berries are known to be rich in antioxidants, which makes them really good for your skin. And also, blueberry is considered as #1 brain food, so that is really good. Next up, I'm going to use banana, which will keep you full for the longest time. And next up, I'll be using these two dates, which acts as a natural sweetener. And a quick tip, if you are someone who is trying to avoid sugar, you can use this instead of your cane sugar. Next up, I'll be using this beauty balm from the company called as Matcha Reserve, and this is really great for your skin, hair and nails. And this one has organic maca, organic blueberry and marine collagen. The organic maca balances hormonal levels, thus preventing hair loss and supporting skin health, and also enhances energy, mood, and memory. Blueberry powder is packed with antioxidants that shield the skin against harmful free radicals. Also a nutrient-dense food, especially high in fiber, which can help with weight loss, and that's really a plus point. And next, it has a marine collagen, which is the most abundant protein in the body that helps maintain the strength and flexibility of skin, ligaments, joints, bone, muscle, tendons, blood vessels, gums, eyes, nails, and hair. So yeah, this one is really great, and I believe it's really a good one because it's all natural and it consists of all natural and high quality ingredients, and it acts as a perfect addition to your smoothies to get that extra dose of goodness. And I really like the color of it. This is so pretty. And if you guys want to check this one out, I will leave the link in my description box down below. So I'm using 1 tablespoon of this one. And lastly, to blend everything together, I'm using coconut water, which will give you hydration, and also this one is a natural electrolyte. I cannot even tell you guys how good this one tastes, and I can't wait for you guys to try this one out, and I'm pretty sure you are going to love this smoothie as much as I do. And I really hope you are enjoying this smoothie challenge and keeping yourself fit and healthy. And yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow with a new healthy smoothie recipe. Till then, bye. Addition to your... And I really... oh my god.